Hi everyone! In this video, I will make quinoa flatbread from the quinoa butter that I made in the previous video. I will show you 3 ways of making using non-stick pan. This one is the bigger size, and this one is bigger flatbread like a naan bread, and the last one is very thin like a crepe. Okay, so let's make very thin one first. Spread the oil to the pan. It's better to use non-stick pan or skillet. I'm using the olive oil, and then wipe off the oil using kitchen paper. Turn on the stove to medium-low heat, and then use tablespoon to spread the butter. If you find a too thin area, just add a little bit more butter to fix it. Cook both sides until you can see a little bit of color. Done! So next one is the thicker flatbread, like a naan bread. Same as last one, spread the oil and turn on the stove. In this video, my pan was a little bit hot, so I heat it up a little bit later. But also, same as last one, put the butter into the pan and spread the butter with tablespoon. But this one you want to make it thicker, so after you made the base, add more butter to make it thicker. Cook both sides again. Actually, it's better to cook until slightly brown. It's more better. Ta-da! Okay, so let's make bigger size. You can use it as tortilla as well. First, you spread the oil, but this time doesn't wipe off. Also, I'm not heating up the pan yet. Put extra butter into the pan because you want to make it bigger size. And then you turn the pan and using the tablespoon to spread the butter. And then finally you turn on the heat. After start cooking, you can find the very thin area, so just use a spoon to fix it. And then cook both sides. And if you want to make bigger size than this, just use a bigger size pan. And here we go. In the next video, I will bake this quinoa butter using oven to make a pizza crust. Thank you for watching. I have a same video in Japanese too. Please give me thumbs up, and to watch new videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.